Hi guys, it's Miss Reagan's again. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day of online learning and welcome to our math session for today. So today we are in the Friday piece, so the last part of our math puzzle for the week. So just looking at our screen here, you guys all had your warm-up today on slide 32, and you guys had to complete a word problem, a mathematical situation, something that happened that you were looking for the total for. So now we are actually going to look at a picture here. We're going to think, what is this picture? Okay. Well, it is, when I'm looking at the picture, it is sidewalk chalk. Okay. How much chalk do you see in the picture? Okay. I see 4 pieces of chalk. So now is our challenge. Now is our time where we have to create our own word problem. I'm so excited. Because you know what's really cool is we're integrating math and writing all at the same time, and I love that. Okay, so what I'm going to be thinking about is brainstorm. Okay, so what do I see? I see that there's 4 things of chalk. I'm going to have to think of a problem that is going to have to involve repeated addition or multiplication to solve it. So now how can I write a problem? So I'm going to choose, my best friend's name is Sydney. Oops, might have to spell her name right. Sydney. And she is playing outside with 3 friends, 6 feet apart, of course. Sydney is playing outside with 3 friends, and they each get, and this is where the picture comes in, 4 pieces of chalk. How many pieces of chalk are in the box? So it's, now that I've created my mathematical situation, let's read what we have. Sydney, oh, see, this doesn't make sense. Sydney, Sydney is playing outside with 3 friends, and they each get 4 pieces of chalk. Okay, so far that makes sense. It relates back to my picture that there are 4 pieces of chalk, and there is Sydney is playing outside with 3 friends, and they each get 4 pieces of chalk. How many pieces of chalk are in the box? Okay, so now, is this a problem that we can solve? So guess what? I'm going to need to solve it to make sure that it actually matches what my teacher is expecting me to do. Thinking of a problem that I could do with repeated addition. Okay, so I'm going to go to Insert, Text Box here. Okay, so Sydney gets 4 pieces of chalk, so 4 plus. And she has 3 friends. Not 3 friends total are out playing. There's actually Sydney, and there's 1, 2, 3 friends. So there's actually 4 people total. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals, okay, and so now this is the time where I'm going to show the skip counting side of it. So we're going to go 4, comma 8, comma 12. And again, you can count up. So like when you get to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And our total sum is 16. And I challenge you to now think, we've been introducing and thinking about how to write a multiplication number sentence. So I challenge you to think of that as well. So we know that there's 4 pieces of chalk. So 4 times, and there's 4 people. And guess what? That's going to equal the same answer. It would help if I put the equal sign there. There we go. Okay, so let's review just to make sure that we're on the same page, that it makes sense. Sydney is playing outside with her 3 friends, and they each get 4 pieces of chalk. How many pieces of chalk are in the box? So there are 16. Oh, and you know, see, this is the details that you notice. 16 pieces of chalk. Okay. Chalk. Okay, so that is how you generate your own word problem. We're just going to look ahead to see what you guys have on slides 34 and 35. Okay, on slide 34, you have this really cool picture. You're going to look at the picture below. What item do you see? How many items do you see? Now it's your turn to write your own word problem to go with the picture below. Your word problem needs to be able to be solved using repeated addition or equal groups. I just modeled how to solve with repeated addition. My Thursday video, I also did repeated addition and equal groups. So you're going to just go insert a text box over here, and that's where you're going to be writing your word problem. And then on the following slide, slide 35, with the word problem you created on the previous slide, you with the word problem you created on the previous slide, can you solve to find your answer on this slide? So now you are going to solve your word problem on this slide. When you are done with both those tasks, I will tell you the graded assignment is on the following slide, and it's the end of the week test. And this is the grade for the week in math. Thank you guys so much. Bye.